going to discuss about the acceptance angle of the meridional light ray. We know that acceptance angle is nothing but the maximum entrance angle of the light signal at air core interface so that it will propagate down the fiber. To maintain the total internal reflection within the optical fiber cable, the light ray must enter with an acceptance angle. And remember, this acceptance angle is the maximum entrance angle. If the angle of incidence is less than or equal to the acceptance angle, then only light ray will propagate down the fiber. And if the angle of incidence at air core interface is greater than acceptance angle, then the light ray will not undergo total internal reflection. Instead, it will enter into the cladding medium, which leads to loss of information. So, if you consider the optical fiber cable, so we will see here. So this is the optical fiber cable. Here, this is the core medium with the refractive index equal to. So this is the core medium with refractive index equal to N1, which is surrounded by cladding with refractive index equal to N2. Cladding refractive index is N2, core refractive index is N1. And now the light ray is entering. The light ray is entering exactly at the center of the fiber axis. Means it is the meridional light ray. And assume the light ray is entering from the free space whose refractive index equal to N0. Whose refractive index is N0. And it is entering with an angle of incidence is equal to, theta naught. Let us consider this is the acceptance angle. So now whenever the light ray enters into the optical fiber core medium, this light ray will be refracted. So this is the light ray which is traveling within the core medium, right? And now if this theta naught is the acceptance angle, then this light ray will undergo total internal reflection as per the definition. And to get the total internal reflection at core cladding interface, it will maintain the critical angle. So here this is the normal to the surface between core and clad interface. So with respect to this, it is maintaining the critical angle condition. So here what is the phi value? Phi is nothing but the critical angle if the angle of entrance is the acceptance angle, right? And now upon touching this core clad interface, this light ray will be totally internally reflected. Now consider this optical fiber cable in which the meridional light rays are entering. And now consider the triangle, just denote the points. The point where the light signal is entering, denote it as A, and the point at which the light ray is incidenting the core cladding interface, let it be B, and if you extend this normal till the fiber axis, let it be C. Now it is forming the right angle triangle ABC, right? And now our objective is to calculate the expression for acceptance angle for meridional ray. So for that, with the help of the basic optic laws, we can derive it, and for that you apply Snell's law. Apply Snell's law at air core interface. So if you apply Snell's law at air core interface, then what is Snell's law? Refractive index of the air medium, that is N0, into sine of the corresponding incident angle, that is theta naught. So N0 into sine theta naught is equal to, and what is the in which medium the light ray is entering? That is entering into the core medium. So core medium's refractive index is N1, and N1 into sine theta. So this theta is the corresponding angle with respect to the fiber axis. So if you apply Snell's law at air core interface, you will get the expression as N0 sine theta naught is equal to n1 sin theta. And now we will get the expression for theta. We will get the expression for theta. And now for that you consider the right angle triangle ABC. If you consider this right angle triangle ABC, so you know very well the total angle, sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So in the ABC triangle the angles are theta, phi and 90 degrees. So theta plus phi plus 90 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. And now what is the theta value? Theta is equal to 90 minus phi. Theta is equal to 90 minus phi. And now you assume the light ray is entering into the optical fiber cable with an acceptance angle. If this theta naught is the acceptance angle, then definitely this light ray will maintain the critical angle at air core interface. So this phi will be the critical angle. So if theta naught is the acceptance angle, then this phi will be the critical angle theta c. So now substitute this theta naught is equal to theta a and phi is equal to theta c in expression number 1. Then you will get theta is equal to 90 minus theta c. Theta is equal to 90 minus theta c. And then substitute these two equations. Then you will get n0 sin theta a is equal to n1 sin 90 minus theta c. Sin 90 minus theta c, that is nothing but cos theta c. So finally you will get n0 sin theta a is equal to n1 cos theta c. So as from the previous discussions, we come across sin theta c is equal to what is sin theta c value? That is n2 by n1. Sin theta c is n2 by n1. So if you know sin theta c value, from this you can calculate cos theta c. So this cos theta c is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta c. And if you substitute these values, you will get cos theta c is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square divided by n1. Because sin theta c is equal to n2 by n1. So square root of 1 minus n2 by n1 square by n1, it gives cos theta c is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square by n1. And now substitute these equations in the above expression. Then you will get n0 sin theta a is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square. So what is this square root of n1 square minus n2 square? This is nothing but the numerical aperture of the optical fiber cable. So n0 sin theta a is equal to numerical aperture. So here our objective is to calculate the acceptance angle. So finally from this expression you will get the maximum entrance angle at air core interface, which is nothing but the acceptance angle, that is equal to theta a is equal to sine inverse of numerical aperture. Here we have assumed the light ray is entering from the free space. That's why this n0 value is equal to 1. Refractive index of free space equal to 1. So by assuming that this acceptance angle at air core interface theta a is equal to sine inverse of numerical aperture. For example, if the light ray is entering from some other medium other than the free space, then you will get acceptance angle theta a is equal to sine inverse of numerical aperture divided by refractive index of that medium. This is the acceptance angle. So if any light ray enters with an incidence angle which is less than this one, then only this light ray will propagate along the fiber.